Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Anukriti Lamaniya and so today's video is a super requested video. This video was requested by so many of you and I'm super excited to show you guys how I cut my fringes or bangs at home. I've never been to salon for fringes. I always cut them by myself at home. So yeah guys, I hope you find this video helpful and useful. So let's get started. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair from the center. Now I'm just taking a little bit of my hair from both the sides and making it into a triangle. You can take however amount of hair you like. Now I'm gonna take the middle section and I'm just going to cut it straight. You can decide how short you want the middle fringes, and so I'm gonna cut more because I want it a little more short. Now using a hair straightener, I'm just going to straighten the fringes, and I'm just going to check how long the fringes are. Now I'm just taking some more hair from both the sides to make those side fringes. Take a very little amount of hair and start cutting from the top all the way to the bottom. It will give you a very nice side fringe. I'm repeating the same process on the other side too. You can choose however amount of hair you want to use. So yeah guys, that's how I cut my fringes or bangs at home. It's really easy, it's really simple. You can also do it at home by yourself. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.